A dramatic crash in Canada recently stunned many people after a motorcycle became lodged on a traffic light nearly 20 feet, about 6 meters, above the ground following a violent collision with a BMW 3 Series. The scene looked straight out of a Mission Impossible action movie, but the incident was completely real. The crash occurred along Scott Road in North Delta, British Columbia, roughly 20 miles southeast of downtown Vancouver. According to police reports, the accident involved an E90-generation BMW 3 Series and what appears to be the latest 40th anniversary edition of the Suzuki Gsx-R1000 sportbike. The impact was so severe that the motorcycle was launched high into the air and ended up stuck on top of a traffic signal at an intersection. Photos from the scene quickly went viral because the situation looked almost impossible to believe. How could a motorcycle literally fly and end up hanging above the road after a crash? Fortunately, the BMW driver was reported to have escaped without injuries. The motorcyclist suffered serious injuries, though authorities said they were not life-threatening. Police stated that speed is believed to be one of the contributing factors, although it remains unclear whether the car or motorcycle was traveling too fast at the time of the collision. If the motorcycle was indeed the latest Suzuki Gsx-R1000, the high-performance sportbike is well known for its aggressive acceleration, powered by a potent DOHC inline-4 engine. Considering the motorcycle weighs around 440 pounds, about 200 kilograms, plus the rider's weight, the force required to send both airborne toward a traffic signal highlights just how violent the impact truly was. Delta firefighters who responded to the crash also emphasized the importance of road safety. They urged all drivers and riders to slow down, stay alert, and always prioritize safety behind the wheel or handlebars. This incident serves as a harsh reminder that everything can change in a matter of seconds on the road. Modern vehicles may offer incredible performance, but when excessive speed meets an unexpected situation, the consequences can be devastating. Thankfully, despite the seemingly impossible scene, no lives were lost.